Hey guys, it is the 6th of December and I think we should try this rock padlock. I've picked quite a lot of these when it's the smaller version. They're typically relatively easy, but they're also quite cheap, so they can also sometimes be a pain, but we'll see if this one will be easy or hard. Only time will tell. Okay, that's just gonna lock up. Might have to go top of the keyway on this one. Okay. Okay, if we take that out and take a deep hook instead, that might do the job if I don't push out the tensioner. That was pin 1. Then I hope we can work with the rest without pushing out the tensioner. Oh, it is open. I felt a little turn when I hit pin 4, and then I just tried to keep picking, but nothing happened, and I put a little bit extra tension on it. Alright. I'm not gonna try Reiki Rock and zip on this one because I can't get a proper bottom of the keyway tension in. So we're just gonna leave it at SPP today. Nice little fun pick. I think it's because it would need a little bit of lock oil, but I like to pick them without giving them oil. It makes it easier to pick in some cases with oil, but I don't mind the challenge. If I couldn't pick it, I might give it some oil and try again at some point, but just as well try without first. Alright, put it on the tree, and I want it right there. 2 more and the top of the tree is full. Alright, it starts to look like something now. And that, what was that, the 6th? Then we have 18 days left of the series. Still plenty of locks to pick before Christmas. Anyway, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.